Hello, everyone. Welcome to PodSpeaking with Pink and Joe.
That's right. Today we're going to practice English with simple questions and answers. We'll talk about daily routines, food, family, school, hobbies, weather, and feelings.
We'll learn how to ask and answer simple questions in English, like introducing yourself, talking about your routine, your favorite foods, school life, hobbies, and more.
So, let's get started.
First of all, let's start with basic greetings. Joe, how do we usually start?
Easy. Hello. How are you?
And the answer, I am fine, thank you.
Then we can ask, what is your name?
And you answer, my name is Pink.
Or, my name is Joe.
And when someone asks, where are you from?
The answer would be, I am from England. Or, I am from Brazil, depending on the person.
Very simple and useful for starting a conversation.
Now, let's talk about daily life. Pink, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. And for breakfast, I usually eat bread and eggs. Simple, but delicious.
I also wake up at 7 o'clock, but sometimes I prefer cereal and fruit for breakfast.
After breakfast, what do you do, Joe?
I usually go to work at 9 o'clock. I take the bus, which is convenient.
And after work?
In the evening, I go home and usually sleep at 10 o'clock. A very healthy routine.
That's great. Sleeping at 10 o'clock helps you stay fresh for the next day.
Now, let's talk about food. Pink, what's your favorite food?
Easy one, pizza.
I love pizza too, but I also eat fruits every day, like apples and bananas.
And for drinks?
I usually drink tea, and sometimes juice, which is refreshing.
Very British. Drinking tea is always a good idea.
Let's talk about family now. Pink, tell me about your family.
I have a father, a mother, and one brother. 4 people in total.
My father is a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, on weekends. And I love my family very much.
That's important. Family is always our support.
Now, let's move to school life. Joe, do you go to school?
Yes, I do. I study at Green School.
And your favorite subject?
English is my favorite, but I also like math.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I do. Sometimes it's a lot, but it helps me learn.
I also read books, especially storybooks, and I like writing in English.
In my free time, I watch TV, usually cartoons.
I like music, dancing, and playing basketball.
I also enjoy swimming, reading, and shopping in the market.
And when buying things, I always ask, how much is it? Very practical.
That's right. These simple phrases are very useful in daily life.
Let's not forget about the weather and health. Today is sunny.
But sometimes it can be cold, rainy, or cloudy.
I always carry an umbrella, just in case.
For health, I eat fruits, drink water, exercise, and brush my teeth every day.
Very good habits. Staying healthy is very important.
And finally, let's talk about feelings. How do you feel most of the time, Pink?
Most of the time, I am happy. Sometimes I feel a little sad or tired.
But overall, we enjoy life. That's the most important.
Yes, enjoying life is the best part.
So today we learned how to introduce ourselves, talk about food, family, school, hobbies, weather, and feelings in English.
That's a lot. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food?
Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to learn English.
Thanks for listening, and see you in the next PodSpeaking. Bye!